Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Delta Airlines error code #85502R. As per our research, the error comes at the point when users try to make the payment to complete the flight booking. The error reads, "We're sorry, we couldn't process your payment. Please use another form of payment to complete your purchase." Now, on to the solutions. Our research indicates that this issue is usually related to the payment method, or occasionally, Delta Airlines declines your payment for an unclear reason. If you're using any proxy or VPN services on your device, ensure they're disabled. These services can cause complications with online payments. However, if you're not using VPN services or a proxy, the problem likely originates from your payment method. It's worth trying different payment methods and cards to see if that resolves the issue. Experiment with various options, and you might just find the magic combination that works. Lastly, if switching up your payment methods doesn't solve the problem, it's time to reach out to Delta Airlines support. They should be able to provide further assistance. And if all else fails, consider switching to another airline. It's not the ideal solution, but it's a surefire way to get past the error code #85502R. So, to recap, the Delta Airlines error code #85502R is a payment-related issue that can occur when booking flights. Solutions include disabling any VPN services, trying different payment methods, reaching out to Delta Airlines support, or switching airlines if necessary. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.